Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a fish out of a napkin. Now we're going to start by folding both of these edges into the center. Next we're going to fold both of these edges into the center. Next we're going to take this corner that's underneath and we're going to pull that out to the left, just like that. And do the same thing with the other three corners. Now we're going to take this corner and we'll fold it up. And then with this corner, we're going to fold it down. Next, we'll move to the left side and we'll take this edge and we're going to line it up with this edge. Next, we'll fold this flap back up right along this edge. Now repeat those steps on the bottom. Next, we're going to make a fold that runs from the center out on the right and just heads down this direction. Then you can swivel that around. You want to leave a little bit of space between the areas right here, just like that. And do the same thing on the top. Now flip the whole thing over. And we are all done. Now, I do have a playlist full of napkin folding tutorials that you can check out. I'll link to that right here and in the description. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.